Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Wikiloc application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile option down below, which is the last option, and tap on settings at the top of the screen. Click on notification preferences. Here you can manage your notifications and select from a bunch of features and functions, such as whether you would like to pause notifications for a short time. Here you can indicate whether you want to take a break and how long it should be, such as 8 hours, 1 day or 1 week, so the app won't send you any notifications. However, the email notifications won't be affected. So tap on the relevant one, and here you can indicate when would you like to get a notification, such as when someone starts following you, and put a check mark icon into the box. So if you want to get an email notification, tap on the email. When someone adds a comment to one of your trails, link to the new trails you uploaded, reminder to add the review on a trail you followed, when someone claps for one of your trails or photos, when someone invites or requests you to be their trail buddy, when someone posts a trail nearby, when someone you follow posts a new trail, or when you want to get notifications about Wikiloc news. And you can also turn on this nearby waypoint alert function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one. Bye bye.